Hello and welcome. In this video, we will practice speaking English clearly and confidently. This session is designed for beginners, intermediates, and advanced learners who want to improve their fluency, pronunciation, and confidence in speaking English. Today, you will learn common phrases, important vocabulary, simple reading exercises, and speaking drills that will help you communicate better in everyday situations. Let's start with some warm-up phrases. Repeat after me slowly and clearly. Hello, how are you? What is your name? Nice to meet you. Where are you from? Have a great day. How was your day? I am fine, thank you. These are very common phrases that you can use every day. Focus on your pronunciation, speaking each word clearly, and don't worry if you make mistakes. Practice is the key to improvement. Now let's move on to vocabulary. I will introduce 15 new words, their meanings, and example sentences. Repeat each word after me. Amazing, something very good or wonderful. Example, this is an amazing book. Important, very significant or necessary. Example, it is important to practice daily. Beautiful, pleasing to the senses. Example, the sky looks beautiful today. Friend, someone you like and trust. Example, I have a good friend at school. Excited, feeling happy and eager. Example, I am excited to learn English. Practice, to do something repeatedly to improve. Example, practice speaking English every day. Confident, feeling sure of yourself. Example, she is confident when she speaks. Learn, to gain knowledge or skill. Example, I want to learn new words. Improve, to make better. Example, daily practice will improve your English. Fluent, able to speak a language easily and well. Example, he speaks fluent English. Enjoy, to take pleasure in something. Example, I enjoy reading English books. Communicate, to share information or ideas. Example, it is important to communicate clearly. Conversation, a talk between two or more people. Example, we had a conversation about our hobbies. Success, achieving what you want. Example, practice leads to success in learning English. Opportunity, a chance to do something. Example, every day is a new opportunity to learn. Now that we know these words, let's move on to reading practice. I will read a short passage slowly, and you should repeat after me. Focus on pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm of the sentences. Sarah has a small garden. Every morning, she waters the plants, removes the weeds, and takes care of the flowers. She enjoys seeing the plants grow and bloom. Gardening makes her feel relaxed and happy. She likes to spend time in the garden every day and learns new things about plants. After reading, try to answer these questions out loud. Who has a garden? What does Sarah do every morning? How does gardening make her feel? Try to answer in full sentences to practice forming correct English sentences. Next, let's do a speaking drill. I will give you a topic, and you will speak 1 or 2 sentences about it. Repeat after me. My favorite food is. I like to read. I enjoy listening to. My hobby is. I feel happy when. I want to learn. My favorite place is. Speaking about different topics will improve your confidence and help you think in English naturally. Try to speak clearly, with correct pronunciation, and take your time to form sentences. Now let's practice forming questions. Asking questions is very important in conversations. Repeat after me. What is your favorite color? Where do you like to go? What do you do every day? How do you spend your free time? Which book do you like the most? Why do you enjoy learning English? Practicing these questions will help you in daily conversations and make your English more interactive and natural. Finally, let's combine everything we learned today. Repeat these sentences slowly and clearly. I enjoy practicing English every day. Learning new words is fun and helpful. Speaking English makes me confident. I like to read and answer questions in English. Daily practice improves my fluency and pronunciation. Keep repeating these sentences and make small variations by using new words you learned today. For example, replace reading with listening or writing to practice more vocabulary. Great job! Keep practicing these phrases, vocabulary words, reading exercises, and speaking drills every day. Consistency is the key to improving your English speaking skills. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. The most important thing is to speak every day and keep improving. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get more English practice videos daily. Keep speaking, stay motivated, and enjoy the journey of mastering English. See you in the next video.